chilly this morning, and it's just been a raw day. I went to Keystone at the Crossing Mall today, and the parking lot was packed, and then people are just like circling around trying to find when somebody leaves that coveted spot, you know, because it was so raw and rainy this afternoon. Things are starting to improve, but we did have snow in north central Indiana, including Fort Wayne. This one sent in by my brother, Sean, and we had a light dusting in some areas. A lot of the snow just really melted upon impact, but here's a look at the snowfall totals over the past 12 hours. Really, again, we had talked about northwest central Indiana kind of being the target of that, and that's where most of it fell, as it stayed as just snowfall the entire duration of the precipitation. You can see Fort Wayne did have some light snow as well, but when we zoom in here a little closer, some of these numbers, again, a lot of this is melted already, but Logansport around 1 inch and 2 inches of snow in Lafayette, where we thought those higher totals would be. Currently 38 degrees in Indianapolis. It's 39 in Columbus, 33 in Lafayette right now. Temperatures hovering around that freezing mark. However, it feels a lot colder than that right now. Feels like temperatures in the mid to low 20s right now across most of central Indiana. Now, future track has still a little bit of precipitation left, so we'll still see a little bit of a rain snow mix. I do think Indianapolis could squeeze out a couple of light snow showers throughout the evening. If you are traveling this evening, keep that in mind. We could have some slick roads, and regardless of any precipitation falling, with that colder air moving in, we're going to see some of that freezing over of any of the ponding on the streets and pavement. Here's a look at those winds. They are going to be turning out of the west by tomorrow morning. During the overnight hours, we'll fall into the low to mid 20s, so a chilly start tomorrow morning, and it is going to be a blustery one with sustained winds 15 to 20 miles per hour out of the west. That's going to make those feels like temperatures even worse. We'll be in the teens during the morning hours for wind chill values, then into the low to mid 20s during the afternoon. So it is going to be a chilly day. We are going to see the skies clearing out during the mid to late morning hours, with temperatures climbing only into the low 30s. So it's going to be a chilly day. As we go into Tuesday, even colder yet. We'll start off in the teens, mid to upper teens for those temperatures first thing in the morning, but then we add in the wind chill value. I think we're going to see some areas dropping below 0 and into the single digits for most of the morning, and then we'll only improve into the teens by Tuesday afternoon. Colder yet, with temperatures only in the low 30s. So it's going to be a very chilly start to the work week. As we get into Wednesday, a little bit better. Temperatures get back into the mid 40s, so we're closer to average at that point. Thursday, even warmer yet, into the low 50s, but we are tracking rain for Thursday evening into Friday. Here's a look at future track as we go hour by hour into Friday. It's going to be a wet end to the work week. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. High of 34 degrees, windy conditions tomorrow. As we go into Tuesday, it's still going to be breezy. High of only 30 degrees. We'll have those wind chill values in the single digits, and we have that warming trend. While it isn't a big one, we'll take it because temperatures will climb into the low 50s by Thursday. Wet for Friday right now. Sunday looking wet as well.